Have you ever wondered what would happen if an asteroid hit Earth in 2024? Let's dive right into this chilling scenario. Picture this colossal asteroid, about the size of a small city, hurtling towards our planet at breakneck speeds. This isn't your everyday space rock. We're talking about an asteroid that's approximately 6 miles wide, traveling at a speed of around 17,000 miles per hour. That's faster than any bullet train, or even a supersonic jet. Now, where would it hit? For the sake of this, let's say it's heading straight for the heart of the Atlantic Ocean. As it pierces our atmosphere, it will be a sight that would put the most spectacular meteor shower to shame. But this light show would be the harbinger of something much more catastrophic. Upon impact, the asteroid would unleash an energy equivalent to 1 billion Hiroshima bombs. The immediate vicinity would be vaporized in an instant, creating a fireball that could be seen from space. Following this would be a devastating shockwave, spreading outwards and obliterating everything in its path. Even if you're thousands of miles away, you're not safe. The shockwave would cause buildings to crumble like sandcastles and trees to be uprooted as if they were mere twigs. But the horror wouldn't stop there. The impact would throw up an unimaginable amount of dust and debris into the atmosphere, blocking out the sun's rays. This could plunge the world into an impact winter, a period of prolonged cold and darkness that could last for years. So, we're looking at a scenario where the immediate effects would include a massive fireball, a devastating shockwave, and the potential of an impact winter. A chilling prospect indeed. But it's important to remember that this is all hypothetical. Our space agencies are keeping a close eye on all near-Earth objects and are working on ways to prevent such a catastrophe. So, that's the immediate aftermath. But what happens next? Now that we've seen the immediate effects, let's delve into the aftermath. Imagine a world blanketed by dust and debris, kicked up by the force of the asteroid's impact. This isn't just a temporary inconvenience. This dust cloud could linger in our atmosphere for years, even decades, leading to a chilling phenomenon known as a nuclear winter. In such a scenario, sunlight is unable to penetrate the dust cloud, causing global temperatures to plummet dramatically. This isn't your typical winter chill. We're talking temperatures dropping by as much as 20 degrees Celsius. This sudden and severe cold snap would disrupt weather patterns on a global scale, leading to long, harsh winters and short, cool summers. But the cold is just the tip of the proverbial iceberg. The lack of sunlight would also severely affect photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight into energy. With limited sunlight, plant life would struggle to survive, leading to a domino effect that would ripple through the entire food chain. From the tiniest microorganisms to the largest predators, no creature would be spared. The disruption of ecosystems could potentially lead to mass extinctions on a scale not seen since the dinosaurs. The biodiversity that we've come to know and love, the intricate web of life that supports us all, could be irrevocably damaged. That's not all. The dust and debris in the atmosphere would also lead to acid rain, further damaging plant life and contaminating water supplies. The resulting loss of vegetation would lead to soil erosion, making it even more difficult for life to recover. And this is just the natural world. The effects on human civilization would be just as profound, if not more so. We've built our societies around the stability of our planet's climate. A sudden shift in that stability could disrupt everything from agriculture to energy production, from transportation to communication. But what about human civilization? Could we survive? In the face of such a catastrophic event, could humanity survive? Let's delve into this thought-provoking question. The immediate effects of an asteroid impact would be catastrophic, with infrastructure suffering extensive damage. Our cities, the bastions of human civilization, would be reduced to rubble in seconds. Power grids would fail, leaving us in darkness. Water supply systems would be disrupted, making access to clean water a challenge. And the most heart-wrenching of all, there would be an unimaginable loss of human life. However, it's in our nature as humans to adapt, to survive. We've done it for thousands of years, and an asteroid impact, as devastating as it may be, would not necessarily spell the end for us. Firstly, we could take refuge in underground bunkers, safe from the initial impact and protected from the harmful radiation that would permeate the Earth's atmosphere following the asteroid's collision. These bunkers, equipped with self-sustaining life support systems, could serve as temporary shelters while the world above recovers. Secondly, we could consider space colonization. Yes, it sounds like something straight out of a science fiction novel, but it's an option that scientists have been exploring for decades. Establishing human colonies on other planets, such as Mars, could provide us with a safety net, a backup plan, in case our home planet becomes uninhabitable. In the long term, human civilization would have to rebuild. It would be a slow, painstaking process, but we've proven time and again that we are resilient. We would learn from the catastrophe, developing new technologies and strategies to prevent such an event from happening again. And let's not forget, the Earth itself is a survivor. It has weathered countless asteroid impacts over its 4.5 billion year history, and life has always found a way to persist. So, while an asteroid impact would be devastating, it's not necessarily the end of the world. It could be the beginning of a new chapter in human history, a testament to our indomitable spirit and our will to survive no matter the odds. So, what have we learned about the potential for an asteroid impact in 2024? We've uncovered that the immediate effects would be cataclysmic, to say the least. An asteroid strike would trigger massive explosions, devastating tsunamis, and widespread firestorms, painting a picture of utter chaos and destruction. Moving on to the aftermath, we've learned that life on Earth would face a daunting challenge. The world would plunge into a nuclear winter, with sunlight blocked out for months, maybe even years. This would lead to a dramatic drop in temperatures, threatening the survival of countless species. As for humanity, we've discovered that survival would be a grueling test of our resilience and ingenuity. We'd have to adapt to a drastically altered environment, finding new ways to grow food, keep warm, and maintain some semblance of civilization in the face of such adversity. While it's a fascinating thought experiment, let's hope we never have to find out what would really happen if an asteroid hit Earth in 2024.